Introducing Microsoft Kaizala to help manage large groups of users and build mobile ticketing systems. In animation, a text conversation. Can we add 10,000 Salesforce to Kaizala groups? Sure, will do. On screen, the Kaizala Management Portal. Map your organization. Fast and easy group creation through bulk upload. Uploading. A list of users added and a group hierarchy is created. On a smartphone, a list of chats. IT support is clicked. Build a mobile ticketing system. New ticket. Click Send. A user responds. Remove users from all groups in one go. A check mark. Mark the ticket as closed. The Kaizala logo, a white check mark on a blue field. Microsoft Kaizala. Microsoft.com/Kaizala.